How to view private account without following them on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to view private account without following them on Instagram. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device, and further, make sure you are signed in. Now, go ahead and tap on the search bar and search for the account that you want to see the private account of without following them on Instagram. Now, unfortunately, there is no possible way to view the private account without following them on Instagram, as Instagram does not have this feature as of now. So, if you want to view a private account without following them, then the only possible way is to follow the account, and once the user follows you back or accepts your follow request, only then you will be able to view their private account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.